Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw a Gann box on TradingView in 2026. So if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, now is the time for you to grab this 80% off deal. So currently in Black Friday, you are going to get huge discounts on TradingView premium subscriptions. Only 3 days left in this deal, so make sure you hurry and check out the link in the description. So in order to basically draw the Gann box on TradingView, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply launch any of the charts in front of you. Once you have done that, in the toolbar section, you just have to click on the option of this third tool. Here, when you click on this arrow button, you are going to see the Gann box or the Gann and the Fibonacci tools in front of you. Here in the Gann section, we have the option of Gann box. So you just have to click on it once and it will be activated successfully. Now on the chart, you just have to simply select the top swing. Then you need to use your mouse and drag and drop it to the bottom swing. Now the Gann box is going to look something like this. Over here, you can apply it on your chart and you can just get the data on the chart for your analysis. Once the analysis is done, you can just punch your trades over here as per your analysis. If you want to make changes into the color or any kind of settings here in this Gann chart, simply click on it, then click on its settings. Over here, you can just simply change the colors, the background, the angle, and click on the option of OK. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.